Providing a vital link in the chain of drug development is a world-class clinical research organization called Quantys Clinical. Conveniently located in the western coast of India at the Kandla Special Economic Zone, Quantys Clinical provides high-quality clinical research services to the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical and biotechnology industries globally. Quantys Clinical has custom-built, all regulatory compliant facility to conduct pharmacodynamic, pharmacokinetic and clinical endpoint studies. The facility is spread over a total floor area of over 40,000 square feet. The clinical wing has a capacity of 104 beds, divided into 5 flexible and independent clinical pharmacology units suitable for conducting mixed population studies and multiple studies at a time. There are dedicated areas for subject monitoring, dosing and sample collection. There are separate areas for dining and recreation. The subject housing areas are backed up by fully equipped emergency rooms and a 24/7 in-house ambulance to manage any emergencies. High level of security and safety of volunteers are ensured through access control and continuous CCTV monitoring. Emergency call buttons are provided on the beds and in the bathrooms. The selection of volunteers is carried out through a robust SOP-driven process for screening and documentation as per ICH guidelines. Quantys Clinical, through its team of highly experienced and trained staff, offer bioavailability and bioequivalent services, including food effect and drug interaction studies, skin sensitization and irritation studies, and glucose clamp studies. Quantys Clinical has conducted several studies with crossover, steady-state, reference-scaled average and replicate study designs in healthy population. Our expertise include swift processing of BENOC applications and processing CBN formalities for conducting bioequivalence studies on controlled substances. Quantys Clinical has considerable experience with oral dosage forms, transdermal patches, and implant bioequivalence studies, as well as various other routes of administration. Quantys Clinical offers a state-of-the-art pathology lab compliant to ISO 15189, ECG, and digital X-ray, assuring high-accuracy investigations for screening of volunteers and conducting post-study safety evaluations. Bioanalytical services cover development of methods, validation of methods, backed by a team of highly committed, experienced and qualified people with a cumulative experience of over 60 years. Quantys Clinical is driven by a highly enthusiastic and dedicated team of research professionals, most of them with PhD and post-graduation degrees, along with full-time experienced doctors and paramedics with expertise both in clinical phase of the study conduct as well as overall project management. Quantys Clinical is the first CRO in India to bring a complete paperless end-to-end platform to conduct clinical and bioanalytical operations. A thoroughly validated paperless, the eCRF-based system of data collection includes volunteer registration, screening, laboratory reports, check-in process, electronic data capturing of clinical data, sample management, sample storage, and sample processing at the bioanalytical. We also offer report generations, protocol development, project management, and tracking using this platform. This eCRF-based paperless conduct of the BE study offers a complete audit trail and complies to 21 CFR Part 11 requirements, thus offering transparency to the regulatory authorities. This truly gives Quantys Clinical, a technological edge which assures transparency and integrity of clients' data. All the data generated during operations are integrated through the latest IT interface and have on-site and off-site data backup. The Information Security Management System at Quantys Clinical complies to and is certified for ISO 27001:2013. Quantys Clinical has expertise in all major regulatory submissions, particularly in the sphere of narcotics and controlled substances. Quality Management System is fully compliant to and is ISO 9001:2015 certified. The Quality Assurance Unit is manned by highly experienced and qualified personnel who perform periodic internal and external audits, ensuring strict compliance to maintain quality at all times. The Quality Assurance Unit also provides independent clinical trial audit and monitoring services. Quantys Clinical is a self-supporting facility having a well-equipped, state-of-the-art bioanalytical laboratory. The facility is equipped with instruments like LC-MS, ultra-low temperature freezers, -70 degrees Celsius, refrigerated centrifuges, fume hoods, sonicators, magnetic stirrers, in-house nitrogen generator, water purification system, etc., giving it an added advantage to develop and validate methods in practically all biological matrices. A safe and secure document archival room to ensure safe archival for extended periods, as required by various drug regulation authorities. Quantys Clinical has overseas partner CROs and has a global presence with its offices located in CIS, Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia, and further expanding its network, enabling it to perform studies globally through its partner CROs. Quantys offers assistance and guidance to its clients for rapid conduct of clinical studies, assist in submissions and product registrations in the CIS and other countries. In a dynamically evolving sphere of healthcare research, Quantys Clinical has emerged as an effective solution provider, serving the fast-changing and demanding needs of pharma generic manufacturers from around the world.